In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom map with MapMaker. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to generate a map centered on any address you choose, all without any guesswork. We'll begin by opening the tool that controls your connected features. Start by clicking on the action icon. This is the hub where you access helpful tools and automations. Depending on your interface, it might look like a small lightning bolt or a puzzle piece, and it's usually located near the top of your workspace. Once you click it, you'll see options for finding and launching different utilities. Next, use the search field to look for MapMaker. Type MapMaker clearly into the search bar. Using the exact name helps the system surface the correct tool right away. If you see similar results, don't worry, we'll focus specifically on the option that lives within your extensions. Now click on Plugins and Widgets. This section groups the tools that can be added or run inside your workspace. Opening it helps you narrow your results to the interactive add-ons designed to extend your capabilities. From there, click on MapMaker. This selects the tool we're using today. You'll be taken to its card or details view where you can start it. Go ahead and click on Run. This launches MapMaker so you can work with it directly. Give it a moment to initialize. You'll know it's ready when the interface opens and shows a search field for locations. Within the MapMaker interface, you can search an address. Enter a complete address, a well-known landmark, or a neighborhood name. The more specific you are, such as including the city, state, or country, the better the result will be. If you're working with exact locations, you can also use precise place names. Take a quick second to confirm the text you've entered is accurate, especially if multiple places share similar names. When you're satisfied with the address, click on Make Map. This command generates your map based on the location you provided. You should see the map centered on that address, ready for reference or inclusion in your project. If the location isn't quite right, refine the address and run it again until the map reflects exactly what you need, and that's it. You click the action icon, search for MapMaker, open plugins and widgets, selected MapMaker, ran it, searched an address, and made your map. Thanks for watching and enjoy building clear, location-accurate maps with confidence.